I am getting a video of them fighting. This little cat doesn't know when his match is met. Snickers, get him! Now that I'm filming, the Snickers stops.
Give him Snickers.
Give him Snickers. And this is a typical morning in our house. Snickers is done. Maynard is not. Oh, Maynard wants your finger.
I know, I'm trying to get him to do stuff.
Just put Maynard back under the blanket. That'll.
You feel violated, Maynard?
Apparently he did.
He tried to get out the window.
What's Maynard doing? He was attacking his tail. That was great. He ran over there to attack his tail and his leg.
Oh God.
He's a mean little bastard. This little Maynard cat. Oh God, I think we did something wrong. Now he feels empowered. Snickers, get him. Alright, that's gonna be enough.